This is Tyler in the first annual time crunch of the CBT Show's Moraga tournament. Tyler will be shooting 3 shots. What are those shots, Tyler?
The layup, the free throw, and the three-pointer.
Very good. Tyler will have 35 seconds and only 35 seconds to make these 3 shots. Every time he makes a shot, you get 5 seconds. An additional 5 seconds so he can keep shooting. If he misses a shot, he will have to shoot that shot every single time until he makes it. So far, Clay has gotten 15 seconds to spare. Let's see if Tyler can beat that. Ready, set, go. 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 34, 35, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22,